Check connecting rod for bend and twist. Assemble the piston and connecting rod assembly. Hi, my name is Charumati and I will be guiding you throughout this exercise. Automobile engine service mainly involves inspection of engine components to decide the condition of the particular part and whether need to replace it or not. This includes dismantling and reassembling the parts. A technician decides to service the engine when the engine has the following symptoms: engine misfire, knocking, excessive vibration, oil consumption, and engine overheating. One of the main reasons for the above symptoms may be the bent or twisted connecting rod. So now we are going to learn how to inspect the connecting rod for bent or twist and how to assemble piston and connecting rod.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to inspect connecting rod for bend and twist, assemble piston and connecting rod, tools and instruments required, piston vise, circlip plier, equipment and spares required, connecting rod alignment fixture, piston pin, connecting rod, materials required, Barnier cloth. A connecting rod serves as a vital link in an engine, transferring motion from the piston to the crankshaft. Typically crafted from cast aluminum alloy, these rods are engineered to endure the dynamic stresses generated by combustion and piston movement. Ensuring the optimal condition of a connecting rod is essential, and it involves several key factors: straightness, meeting designated center-to-center rod length, maintaining roundness in the pin bore and big end bore, appropriate sizing for wrist pin and crank rod pin fit and oil clearance, as well as being free of any potential defects. While these criteria may seem straightforward, each holds of high importance for the engine's durability and performance. It's imperative to thoroughly inspect every connecting rod for any signs of bending or twisting. A bent rod beam can misalign the big end bore's centerline with the wrist pin bore's center, while a twist in the beam can cause the big end bore to deviate from the small end's plane. Hence, it is essential to check the connecting rod for bend and twist. To check connecting rod for twisting and bending, place the checking device on the surface table. Select the connecting rod to be checked for bend and twist. To check the bend, install the piston pin with the small end of the connecting rod on the checking device. Ensure that the center of the piston pin is fixed with the connecting rod perfectly. Fix the connecting rod on the aligning fixture. Move the dial indicator till the contact point touches the front of the piston pin and set 0 position in the dial. Now move the connecting rod and do the same procedure with the rear of the piston pin. Verify that the dial displays the 0 position. If it does, it indicates that there is no bend in the connecting rod. If the 0 position is not shown, conclude that the connecting rod is bent and proceed to replace it. To check the twist, connect the piston with the connecting rod through piston pin. Install the assembly on the fixture. Fix the jig with the piston and tilt it. If, during the operation, the jig exhibits movement with friction against the faceplate, it signifies the absence of any twist in the connecting rod. Conversely, if such movement is not observed, it is advisable to replace the connecting rod. As the next step, assemble the piston and connecting rod. Hold the piston of the piston vise in such a way that the skirt portion of the piston faces upwards. Check the piston is fixed firmly. Now insert the small end of the connecting rod which properly matches with the piston pin boss and hold it. Now insert the piston pin into the piston pin boss. Take out the piston and connecting rod assembly from the vise. Hold the connecting rod on the vise and fix the circlips on the both sides of the groove. Check the circlips are fitted correctly. Now take out the connecting rod from the vise and check the piston. Tilts easily as shown.
We have come to the end of this lesson. Thus, we have learned to check the connecting rod for bend and twist and assemble the piston and connecting rod assembly. Hope you have a clear understanding of this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.